Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by signing in, go straight to Settings and choose Security. Make sure you can access the email tied to your account and have the current passkey or device ready. If you don't have two-step verification enabled, enable it now, because Roblox may require extra verification before allowing a passkey change. Once done, locate the passkey section. You're ready to initiate the change. This avoids lockouts and speeds the process, so don't skip verification or email checks. Click Change Passkey and enter your current passkey when prompted. This confirms it's you. Next, type the new passkey twice. Pick at least 8 characters, mixing letters and numbers for strength, and avoid reuse of old passkeys. After submitting, Roblox will often send a confirmation to your email or ask for a 2FA code. Provide that immediately. Make sure to save any recovery codes shown. Once confirmed, the system updates your credentials and logs out other sessions for safety. After changing the passkey, log out and log back in to verify the new credentials work across devices. Update any saved passwords in browsers or password managers. If you can't receive 2FA codes, try recovery codes or request an email reset to regain access. If none of that succeeds, contact Roblox support with your account name and proof of ownership immediately, because prolonged lockout risks account access. One key troubleshooting tip: check spam folders.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.